Easy guitar, finger picking style, pattern 12. Now today I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to create pattern 12. Now as usual, to create the pattern, I must press the C chord first. That's the first chord. So this is a C chord. So I got to press the C chord like this. This is a C chord formation. So I press the C chord with my left hand, right? And then I create the pattern. Now I want to create a 3-beat pattern. 3-beat pattern, but divided into 6 half beats. So I will create like this. I've created a few patterns, but this is going to be different, a different pattern. So I press the C chord and then I play the C bass. The C bass is on the 5th string. So I play the C bass and then I'll play a melody note. I'll press the C bass and then I'll play a chord, 2-string chord. Then I play back the melody note. That's the pattern I wish to create. Listen again and observe again how I create this pattern. Counting 1 and 2 and 3 and. So I'm repeating this 3 times. Eh? One more. Then that's the pattern. Now I show you the visual of this pattern. Now that's the pattern I've created. The new pattern, pattern 12. So let me play by using the pattern. C, bass, then melody note, then the chord, melody note again, chord. Right? So it's like this. That's the pattern. Now, having done that, I now wish to formulate the other two patterns, the F and the G chord pattern. So I'm going to formulate the pattern. Now, I've made a duplicate of this pattern. You observe carefully, this is a duplicate of the pattern I created. And then this is a triplicate of this pattern. The patterns are the same. So when you play, you'll be playing the same order. So this is the duplicate, this is the triplicate. Now this pattern is going to be repeated. But then I'm going to make this an F pattern, F chord pattern. Because I need these 3 chords to play, to accompany any song. This is the F chord. See, the F chord is on the 4th string. So I need to press the F chord like this, right? On the 4th string. 4th string, you see the F chord I'm pressing on the 4th string. And then I play the pattern. But to play the bass, I got to play the bass first, so I'm going to put a bass here on the 4th string. So the bass will go to the 4th string. Then I formulated this pattern. Now the G7 chord formation is like this. Now, then I will press the G7 chord to play the pattern. So I place a bass note here to complete the pattern, because this is a G7 chord. So I'll be playing the G7 chord, right? G7 chord pattern. Let me adjust it a little bit so that you understand better. So now this is a G7 bass. So I put the bass there, and then when I play this bass, right? So now I have formulated the pattern. I've created and then I formulated the pattern just by playing the bass. So let me play the F chord pattern. The F chord pattern starts from the 4th string, so the F chord pattern will be like this. Fourth string, and for the G7 chord, I press the G7 chord, then I play this pattern. Sorry. That's how I created and formulated the pattern. And then I documented it so that I can use it to teach C pattern. I documented this is a C chord pattern. This is the F chord pattern. And this is the G7 chord pattern. So I can use this chart to teach my student, right? So these are the patterns we will play. We will be using this pattern to accompany we can use this pattern to accompany any 3-beat song. So I will play the pattern once more to show you C chord pattern will be like this. F chord pattern will be like this. G7 chord will be like this. So with these 3 patterns, we can use them to accompany any 3-beat song.